Well, good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Sean Everson. A blizzard warning in effect for the Omaha Metro and most of the viewing area here this afternoon. Conditions deteriorating quickly as we see the rain and sleet transition to heavy, wet snow across the Omaha Metro. There is the blizzard warning, all the counties there in orange. That goes until 3 a.m. Sunday here in the Omaha Metro. There's a look at Super Doppler 7 radar. We are seeing that transition right over Omaha here just after 3:30. It's been snowing for more than an hour now, and farther west out towards Valley and Elkhorn, we're seeing already a couple inches of accumulation. And that transition line will continue to push east here as we go through the afternoon. There's a look in downtown Omaha. This is, again, a look just after 3:30 where we haven't been seeing snow for that long, but you can already see those roads becoming partially snow covered. Farther west where it's been snowing a little bit more, there's a look at Dodge from Methus-Winds Hospital. We can see that the roads are partially to completely covered. The parking lots and neighborhood spots already covered there. Visibility down. Reporting snow at Eppley Airfield right now, 32 degrees, northwest winds 25 miles per hour. So look at the visibility. Low visibility everywhere, but you can see there Tacoma, Fremont, Lincoln, York, Columbus, a quarter mile or less visibility. Winds sustained between 15 and 30 miles per hour most spots. Wind gusts pushing 35 to 40 miles per hour. Right now, 36 in Omaha, 39 Lincoln, 40 in Norfolk. So Lincoln right now, blizzard conditions. Blizzard conditions just west of Omaha. Temperatures dropping down to 32 in Omaha, upper 20s just off to the west. And a closer look in the metro, most temperatures are now below freezing as we see that transition to snow happen. So you can see Fremont, Wahoo also at a quarter mile visibility. That's where we're seeing blizzard-like conditions at the moment. Those will continue to push over most of Omaha here as we go past 4 o'clock. There is the system spinning in Kansas right now and lifting northeast, and as it does, it is continuing to strengthen. So as we see this storm strengthen, we'll see the more intense snow develop along the I-80 corridor, and winds will continue to pick up as we go through the late afternoon and evening hours. So significant impacts expected as we go through the rest of the day. Snow in Omaha, most of the metro, will be between 6 and 10 inches. There is a possibility we could see a few spots get up closer to a foot of snow as we see those significant snow rates. Snow coming down 1 inch to 2 inches per hour. So quickly accumulating, quickly diminishing conditions as we see that snow come down. Winds, right now we've seen 35 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts, eventually gusting up to 50 miles per hour as we go later today and overnight tonight. So high impact there, significant impact to travel roads. Most spots where we're seeing the heavy snow, roads are completely covered. So extremely dangerous travel conditions, if not near impossible. And then as we continue through the day, as we get more accumulation, as those winds pick up, power outages will become more likely. Looking at the snow forecast, though, again, that band of snow along I-80, that includes the Omaha Metro, 6 to 10 inches, and then the possibility of some spots seeing a little bit more than that. Off to the south and to the north, you've got that broad swath of 3 to 6 inches, and then tapering off as you get a little bit farther away. So here's Storm Predictor, 4 o'clock. This is still showing that rain snow line a little bit farther east. I think it'll be still closer to the Omaha Metro by 4 o'clock based on what we've seen so far this afternoon. But we'll see those blizzard conditions become more likely here in Omaha as we see that heavier snow and those winds continue to pick up. 5 o'clock, blizzard conditions, heavy snow through 6, 7. By 8 o'clock, we'll see more of that heavier snow starting to push off to the east, but still steady snow, high winds, blizzard conditions. Again, blizzard conditions don't have to do with the amount of snow. It has to do with a prolonged period of low visibility, a quarter mile or less, wind gusts 35 miles per hour or greater. So again, we're going to see that with the snow still coming down. And then as we go towards 9, 10 o'clock, most of it's starting to push out. Still a little bit of light snow here in Omaha, but towards 11 o'clock, we finally see the snow move out, but the winds still gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. We'll still have the possibility of blowing snow we'll still have the possibility of power outages as we go overnight. And by midnight, that snow is done here through most of the viewing area, still hanging on in southwest Iowa. But then as we continue into the morning, blowing snow, mainly the concern with those high winds, but we'll see some sunshine going into Sunday morning. So here over the next 12 hours, you see the high impact, severe impact there through 10 o'clock, where we'll see the most intense snow, those blizzard conditions continue through the Omaha metro. Then the snow moves out. Still blowing snow a concern, which is why we keep the impact icon there after midnight, and continuing into the morning as we'll see those temperatures drop into the teens. But again, wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. So conditions deteriorating quickly across the Omaha metro as that heavy snow moves in. We'll continue to see those significant impacts through the evening. So if you do not have to travel, stay home, hunker down as we see this intense snow move through. It's going to be extremely dangerous to near impossible to do any traveling through the rest of the day. Again, stay up to date on KETV.com, the KETV mobile app, Twitter, and Facebook. We'll be back with a full forecast update coming up on KETV at 6 o'clock.